With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello friends, question is given here. A particle is moving with velocity 2i minus 3j meter per second, collides with a surface at rest in xz plane as shown in the figure, okay, and moves with the velocity 2i plus 2j meter per second after collision. Then the coefficient of restitution. So here see, this is given, this collides with the surface at rest in xz plane, okay. So here xz plane means this is perpendicular to y plane, okay. So we will see here change in velocity in y plane. So v initial change in velocity in y, v initial will be how much? This will be change is how much? Minus 3 I minus 3 j cap, and v final is equal to how much? Here in y direction is how much? 2 j cap, okay. So see, coefficient of restitution is equal to, we know, v final upon v initial mod, okay. So that is equal to 2 upon minus 3 mod, that is equal to 2 by 3, okay. So see here, option first is the correct option, 2 by 3. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.